Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best loaded street hot dog, y'all. And this is 2 feet of hot dog that is loaded, and it just keeps going and going and going. Y'all know once in a while I'm a little extra, and today is that day, y'all. We gonna load this boy up. It is so amazing. And y'all, this recipe along with my others is under my playlist. Make sure y'all check those out. Let's go. So I have 2 leftover foot-long hot dogs because you know they never sell you enough buns to match. So I'm going to be using a French baguette from Walmart. Super yummy, y'all. And some bacon, and then my favorite canned chili. If you do not make your own, this Tony's chili is so good. I'll put the link in the description, y'all. So first thing I'm gonna do is wrap our dogs in bacon. And you know my other favorite hot dogs is the ones from Costco. They're Kirkland's brand. You can absolutely get a couple of those and just stick them into the baguette as well. And y'all, super delicious. So I'm gonna keep wrapping, and while I do that, you guys use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button. And y'all, thank y'all so much to those who already have. We are growing. I appreciate you guys so much. So I put those in the oven, and I'm just going to slice my baguette right down the middle. And this is perfect when you're gonna load it up. This is the perfect base because it can hold and support all of that. But look at these, y'all. So crispy and juicy and delicious. So I'm just gonna throw them in there, and that baguette is the perfect size. And y'all, look at, when I'm telling you we being extra today, I'm putting fries in there. I'm putting everything on here. Whatever's in the refrigerator, it's going on here, trust me. So I'm gonna load it up with some chili, and then I'm gonna also top it with some shredded cheese. And then what we're actually gonna do is pop this into the oven and let that cheese melt down, and then we're just gonna finish topping it with the rest of our toppings, which is just some diced onion and then some sliced tomatoes. And oh man, come on, kraut. Does anybody else love kraut as much as I do? And then I'm gonna top this with some jalapenos or jalapenos. And listen, y'all, look at that. It is so good, and it goes on for days. The perfect Super Bowl food, y'all. It's football season. Hey. So go ahead, y'all. You know, I ain't gonna pick this up. I can't, but go ahead. Let me get it closer. Go on and take that bite. So good, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick and easy recipe, perfect for a Super Bowl party. Hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my new video. Bye, y'all.